Don't look at my face. What's up, guys? I'm on my way to a car show. Gotta put the visor down so you don't see my face. It's hideous. Oh yeah. I'm behind my own car again. You love to hear it. It's crazy how far I've come on this channel and my other pages, my Ride with Danger stuff in general. Gross! Alright, closing my visor. It's a little windy. I saw it. Thank you. He actually waved. You're a cool Harley Davidson rider. Anyway, before I was so rudely interrupted by that Harley Davidson. Just kidding. Thank you guys for all of this, man. I just crossed 70,000 followers or whatever they're called on Facebook. Like, that's a lot of people, man. I remember when my YouTube first hit 100 subscribers and I was like, that's insane. Now my YouTube just crossed 10,000, which is just bonkers, bro. But seriously, man, this stuff has come... Oh, crispy. Oh, my blinker's on. This stuff has come a long way, and I just want to say thank you all, man. I never thought I would have this many followers or subscribers or just likes on my videos, man. You guys, a lot of you at least love it. I get a lot of hate comments too, and I love to react to those, man. Those are hilarious. If you're hating on me for having fun, man, I just feel bad for you, honestly, but it is what it is. But yeah, I'm pulling up to this little local car meet. Just wanted to make a quick thank you. Oh, look at them. They're so beautiful. I want to touch them. All right. Now that I'm here, I'm going to take my pants off. I hope that's okay. Make sure I got shorts on still. It's so hot. Oh, let's just get naked. That's how we do it. All right, guys. It's too hot in this helmet. I'm going to take it off.
One hour later.
Oh my goodness, it's like, what, a bajillion degrees out here? I can't even get my glove on, dude. What is wrong? I'm practically dead from heat stroke, but that's all right. Oh man. Oh man, it's so hot out here, dude. I'm sweating in my new helmet. It's such a sad day, brother. Oh man, that sounds so good. Uh-oh, police! Now we gotta be good boys and girls. Oh man. I did so much research for that exhaust, man. Nobody has that. I looked up that combo. Nobody had it, man. I had to put it together all in my head and it came out perfect, dude. It sounds perfect. Also, I'm in shorts. I'm in little booty shorts again. These fit my phone a little bit better so it's not gonna fall out like it did last time. It didn't. It almost did, but still. I'm in my little booty shorts. Oh, it's hot, dude. I'm dying. It was a short video, but really, I just wanted to thank you guys. It's been a long time, man. I've been doing this for forever, it feels like, but I'm finally starting to grow my channel, and I'm just getting a lot of love from you guys, man, and I really appreciate it. Even at this little meet, man, a few people walked up and said they love my videos, and like, it's just really cool. Because, like, I don't do this for money, man. I don't get paid enough for it. I do it because it's fun and because you guys enjoy it, and that's what it's all about. Gotta build that community, man. Well, peace out, Girl Scouts. I will catch you guys next time. Love you. Or do I?
Huh?